pretty cool.
What time is it?
Maybe a 15?
No.
45.
It's 11:45. What's that for?
11:45.
Interesting. Anyway, we're starting with Churchill
War rooms.
war rooms. War room.
War rooms.
It's gonna be interesting, right?
Should we?
But it's really cold today.
Yeah.
Get on it.
To gain a little time to rearm himself at sea and
These 2 rooms were allocated to Churchill's personal
Finally, fish and chips. Where are we?
We're outside the Tower of London.
Tower of London. What is Tower of London?
Place where they kill a lot of people.
Okay. Okay.
Just people you don't like, really.
Oh.
Koreans.
What?
Pigeon.
Pigeon. Oh my god, it's too
Now
bright.
it's bright. The sun came out.
Because that means we cannot take a picture together.
I'm doing it.
I can't, but I don't know. I don't even know where I'm doing it right.
I'll do it with my phone.
Oh my god, there's too many pigeons. I hate pigeons. We couldn't go to the Tower of London because it's only 4:30 and it's gonna close it at 5:30, so we're gonna come back tomorrow, I think. Where are we?
Tower Bridge. Right there.
So pretty.
It's a nice bridge.
And I would just Periscope about it.
Yeah.
And then he was not happy about it.
She's always periscoping.
It's not always. It's like nice thing to share, you know?
Kinda always.
It's not always. Not at all.
Kind of.
Lovely couple.
Walking down the street at Oxford Circle.
Yep, and I just got, I went to Topshop and got Sunny and Tingle Teether, finally. Because the brush from America was not good. I'm from Walmart.
From a convenience store.
It was from
I was
Walmart.
from Target, actually.
Target? Yeah. Anyway, so
It wasn't supposed to be good.
I'm kind of excited to use Tingle Teether though, because everybody talks about
You
it.
gotta go to sleep so you can wake up and use it.
And then I love my Sunnies. What do you think?
I think they're cool.
Yeah?
I like the mirror part of them.
That's cool. And what are we gonna do?
Oh, look at the magnets on this tourist trap stand.
Alright. But it's weird that they are all closing
Let's just walk by.
right now because it's only 6:30. Hi.
Hello.
We're back.
Back at the hotel.
And then we got the, what is it called?
Walk to walk.
Walk to walk for dinner. What do you have?
Rice and chicken, teriyaki chicken.
Yeah, and I got udon noodle with teriyaki sauce and what is it? Chicken breast? Yeah. End of day of.
Day 3.
Yeah. Yep. That's it.
Mokja.
Mokja. Bye bye.
Bye.
Good night.
Good night.